In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and customize reports in QuickBooks Online efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, getting the most from your reports is essential to managing your business finances successfully. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you open your preferred web browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome. It tends to be the smoothest in terms of compatibility and performance. Once you've got Chrome open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Here, you'll enter your username and password. It's important to keep your credentials secure, so ensure you're in a safe environment and avoid storing passwords in your browser if possible. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your central hub for managing all things finance related in your business. Next, we're going to find the specific report you need. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu full of options. Locate and click on the Reports tab. This section is your gateway to a wealth of information about your business operations. To make your job easier, there's a search bar right at the top. Simply type in employee and you'll see several options such as payroll summary, employee details, and other relevant reports. Choose the one that best meets your current needs. Don't worry if you're not sure which is right. You can always come back and explore different reports as needed. Once you have your desired report open, it's time to customize it to suit your specific needs. You'll notice a Customize button at the top right corner of the report page. Click on it and you'll open up a range of options. Here, you can adjust the date range to reflect the period you're interested in analyzing. Whether it's last month, last quarter, or a custom date range, make sure it aligns with your reporting needs. There are also various filters available that allow you to refine the data even further. For example, you might want to view data for a specific department, location, or employee type. Additionally, you can decide which columns of information should appear in your report. This level of detailed customization ensures you're not just viewing raw data, but gaining meaningful insights that can help inform business decisions. And that's it. With your report customized, you're ready to analyze the details and apply the insights gained. Remember, regular review of your financial reports can offer key insights into performance and help identify opportunities for improvement. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video for more tips on mastering QuickBooks Online.